Hello guys, welcome back to the Wolf once again, and a lot of things happened in the last 30 hours in the crypto world. So in today's video, first I'll clear all your doubts that what exactly happened and what is the main reason behind it and my analysis. And also some people are saying that I in my analysis said that the Bitcoin price will go to 50k. Is that true? Well, we'll clear all of these doubts, so get ready. So first of all, as I was mentioning from my last, I don't know, 3 to 4 videos, that the price was pumping incessantly to the upside without any retest, without any correction, just pumping. And I told you guys that a correction has to come. So I gave you guys a very important resistance zone from 44,700 all the way to 48,000, and I told you that this is a very important zone and the Bitcoin price can go all the way till this zone and can get a reversal. Same thing happened. You can check the charts. The high, that the recent high of Bitcoin is 44,777 only, I guess, and I told you. So main reason was this: after this huge pump, there was so much of FOMO in the market. Everyone was going long on Bitcoin, opening high leverage orders, bullish orders. There were no short orders at all. The funding rate, I hope you know what is funding rate. It's kind of a premium that long position holders pay to short position holders if it's positive, and the vice versa, opposite. The short position holders pay long position to open their positions. So what happened was that the funding rate was so high, that means it was so indicating that only and only there are bullish long orders in the market. No one was shorting at all. High leverage positions were opened in the market, and whenever this happens, the market becomes so much volatile, and this is what we call long squeeze. So what happens is, if a small dump also comes, it will mass liquidate all the traders, resulting in a continuous dump, and that's what we saw in the past 24 hours. Mass liquidation happened, lot of people lost their money, and then the price dumped heavily. And well guys, this long squeeze happens when, if you see a small dump towards the downside, this will trigger and will active all the mass liquidations, and as a result the price continuously dumped to the downside too. The funding rates was so high, everyone was betting that the Bitcoin price will go on more up, more, and then Bitcoin price just touched the zone that I gave to you, and boom, it got a reversal. People were booking their profits, people were hoping for a correction. A small dump came and it resulted and triggered in a huge dump to the downside. I'll show you in the charts also. Now I'm on the Bitcoin's daily time frame, and as you can see, this blue zone right here, main order block, I have not changed it at all. You can clearly see how the price exactly came to this zone, touched it, and then boomed up. Because, well, what I see is that it's just completed its target of touching here, and then as soon as it completed its target, it incessantly dumped to the downside. The main thing I want to show you is this. As you can see, I'm on the 1 hour candles, and this is of, I would say, yesterday's. Yeah, it's yesterday's. And the main thing here you can notice is that, as I told you, that if a small dump starts to the downside, then it will occur in a mass liquidation, and people will get liquidated easily because they were going 100x, 50x long. So their liquidation price was somewhat over here only, and the same thing happened. You can clearly see this candle right here, and then this candle right here. You can see that how the candles are becoming bigger and bigger. So after this candle right here, people already were liquidated, and then after that mass sell-off came, mass profit booking came, and then you know the rest. That whole crypto market right now gave approx 7 to 8% correction right here. I hope you understand that why this correction came, and it is important. Let me tell you that it is important, and it can continue more to the downside. I can't predict that the price in the next 24 or 48 hours will go up or down. I can only share you guys levels to trade. If the price comes to any level, we'll trade. It's simple as that. We don't have to predict exactly that okay, now it will go here, now it will not go here, like this. So I hope you understand that this correction was important and how this happened, because first there was so much greediness in the market. People were going long 100x 50x long leverage positions, and when this happens, market becomes volatile. Small dump or a small correction also results in a mass dump. And now the next important topic that I want to discuss is, many people are right now saying that I shared an analysis in which I said the Bitcoin price will go to 50k. Well, let me first tell you, I never said that the Bitcoin price will go to 50k. I made a video on that, but in the title, if you look closely, it was just a clickbait title, and I put a question mark in the end too, that will the Bitcoin price go to 50k or somewhat like this. I put the title. I'll show you in the video, but let me tell you first, before 50k there is a 48k level also, which is a very important resistance right there. So if the Bitcoin price, that blue zone that I shared with you, so if the price goes, and definitely the price will go in future at that level, and if the price goes to that level, then we'll see a good trade there, either a long or a short. If it gets a reversal, we'll short the Bitcoin. If it breaks this zone to the upside, then we'll go long as well. So let me tell you that 50k is not an important zone, 48k is an important zone. Do watch my this video and let me share you something. So this is the video that I guess people have saw in the title, that I was saying 50k, but I never. You can clearly see it is a question mark and it's just a clickbait title. And if you watch this video carefully, I never said 50k. I said that this blue zone, I hope you can see this blue zone right here in this video, which is ranging from 44,700 to 48k, is a very important zone, and the price can go all the way up till that zone and then can give a reversal. And as I shown you in the charts, the price exactly touched my zone and then boom, jumped to the downside, as I told you. So this is the live proof, and do watch this video also. I will pin it in the comments. I never said 50k incoming for Bitcoin. My analysis was perfect, and yes, I did not trade Bitcoin, but I did trade Matic because I found a trade there. If you guys follow me on my Twitter, I said I'll enter in Matic. I shared that if the Matic price goes to an important level, at my level, I will short Matic, and I did short it. So do follow me on my Twitter for my trade updates there as well. And right now we are in profits in Matic, but I shared in my previous video that DYDX trade was a loss, and S&P 500 trade also I cut it out in loss only, because I won't hold my losses so much. If I am in loss, I will cut it as soon as possible. It's okay to take a small loss, I will recover it soon, it's no problem. So let me now get into the charts and share some analysis too. Many people will be asking that will the dump continue, or it was just a long squeeze and now the price will continue to the upside. Well, quite frankly speaking, I don't know, because no one knows what will happen in the market. We only know the levels to trade, and when we find any trade opportunity, we inform you guys. So right now this whole blue zone is important. It is an order block. I'm again telling you, from 44,700 approx to $48,000. If the price goes all the way up till here, it can give a reversal from here also, from here also, or from here also, anywhere, because this whole zone is important. Then we'll short if it gives a reversal, and if the price breaks this zone to the upside, then obviously it will go to 50k and more above, and we'll go long on Bitcoin too. But what I am expecting is that this dump should continue all the way down till here. I am expecting it. Don't enter in a trade just like this, because this is not the right time to enter. Only buy on dips and sell on highs only, guys. So this, I hope that the price of Bitcoin can dump all the way down till $37,000, and if it breaks this minor level, then it can go all the way down till this red horizontal line at $34,000, because this is a very important support right now for Bitcoin. This. So this is what I am expecting. Right now I am not entering any trade on Bitcoin. I'll wait. Same with Ethereum also. Right now I am not entering any trade right here. This is an important level for Ethereum, which is ranging from 2,160 to $2,007, and this yellow zone is also very important. Don't forget this. 1,980 to 1,920. So if the price of Ethereum, what I am trying to say is, comes all the way down till here and shows any bullish reversal, from here, then I'll go long. And if the price of Ethereum breaks this yellow zone, do remember this yellow zone, very important, to the downside, then I'll go heavily short on Ethereum. That's my guarantee. I will go short easily, and my target will be all the way down till this purple zone, approx I can say $1,500. So right now I'm not entering any new trades on crypto. I'm not entering any FOMO. I will wait for the price of Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other crypto to come at my level, at a resistance or at a support. That's it. Then only I'll enter, or else no, I'll not enter. Shiba Inu chart, and if you follow me on my Twitter, I recently posted a trade update there that we can maybe see a trade in the future. So this whole zone is very important for Shiba Inu right here, resistance zone, from I would say 0.01034 all the way down till 0.0095. So right now it is still inside its zone only. Made a support with this white trend line, acting it very nicely. I hope you can see this white trend line right here. This, wait a second, this white trend line. Price of Shiba Inu is making it as a support very easily and very good. Maybe it can be a retest of this white trend line, and after that we can see a huge pump in Shiba Inu too. So don't enter right now long on Shiba Inu. Wait for it to break this important resistance zone, either to the upside or to the downside, then only trade. Because some people say that I said that okay, it will go up, but it did not. Wait for it to break any level, then only we will trade. It's just my own speculation, that's it. In the end, right now I'm on my Matic trade right here, Matic's chart, which I entered in a trade over here, 0.90790. And right now we are in profits after this huge dump to the downside, and I'm expecting this dump to go more towards the downside till this important support level right here, 0.6574. Let's see what happens. This is just my trade update right here. Guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it. I hope you, I would say, understand every single concept that I applied in this video in the beginning. Why the dump happened, what was the reason of mass liquidation, what is long squeeze, everything, my trade updates, what I am expecting for the Bitcoin, my Matic trade right now, will I enter any trade in crypto in the future or not, everything I hope you understand in today's video. It is a long video, I know, but do watch it 2 to 3 times. And yeah, this is it. If you have any doubts, you can comment down and I will definitely solve your query, or will make a video on it too. So yeah, this is it for today's video. I hope you liked it. You can create an account on Bybit. I am trading on Bybit right now. I trade cryptos on Bybit only. It is a very easy to use platform to trade cryptos. You can create an account for free and can get up to $30,000 gift too. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. See you guys soon.